Hey, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, join the squad, and join in the random fun. So, today, if you're new here, you haven't seen my last video, but I decided I wanted to dye my hair dark brown. I know my hair doesn't look like it right now because it's wet, but it is actually light red, like blonde ends, pretty darn red. I just looked back on my timeline on Facebook and I realized I've had my hair like this since 2010, and I haven't talked about what I usually do for a living besides YouTube and my Etsy and all that stuff, but I do standing in, photo doubling for actresses and other stuff on TV shows and movies. So it's a lot of fun, but I'm not getting booked that much because not that many actresses have my hair color. And for doing background and stuff, I stand out too much, especially if I'm not the principal in a commercial. I have a lot of hair, it's loud, it's red, it's big. It's just harder for me to get booked, especially in period piece stuff, unless it's 70s and above. I'm not getting booked on that either, so I decided this time at home that we're all dealing with a non-permanent dye so I can see if I like it or not, I'm going to do it dark brown. After the last video I did, I went on Amazon and I found myself some dark brown hair dye that is a non-ammonia, non-peroxide, moisturizing formula, semi-permanent hair color. Because I know this stuff is pretty runny and hopefully I'll be able to get all my hair in it. I have a lot of hair. Let me try to show you guys. I can't even get my whole hair in the frame. Ugh. I have a lot of hair and it's really thick. The first step was saying to shampoo it, and then we are gonna apply this. This was only like $4 and some change with tax, and it got to me in a couple days. It is Bigen Semi Permanent hair color. Well, these are like the hair gloss, the hair cellophane, the hair whatever treatments. It doesn't penetrate the shaft of your hair, it just sits and coats the top of it like a colored conditioning treatment. So it will last a couple shampoos maybe, so it'll give me time to see if I like it while we're all stuck at home. And if I don't like it, then I'll just use my permanent stuff later on, and I'll wash it with some stripping shampoo if I really hate it. But hopefully I'll love it. I need a change. I'm over this hair color that I've had for 10 years. So the first step, I got the best anti-residue shampoo, Neutrogena. It strips your hair of all the buildup, so it's gonna actually coat my hair better. That's one thing I saw on an Amazon review that was super helpful. One person I saw on there said to use a stripping, clarifying shampoo to get off all the residue of previous products on your hair. That also helps for anyone who's trying to get the curl back in their hair or the bounce back or the volume back. That's a really good shampoo to help fix if you're just going through a hair funk. Try the clarifying shampoo. I guarantee it'll change your life. It has for me. So I already shampooed my hair. I didn't condition it. You're not supposed to do that. And this is my other new favorite product, the wet brush. You can hang it in your shower. It's really flexible, and you're supposed to start at the bottoms and brush your hair while it's wet, and it won't damage your hair. So I'm making sure it wasn't all matted, and I did most of this before I even turned on the camera because that took me a good 20 minutes to get all the knots out of my hair without any conditioner. It was good times. The product will go on more seamless with your hair brushed out and not any knots in it. So we're gonna start. I'm getting nervous. This is happening. I'm gonna do it. No turning back, it's non-permanent. Okay, I'm shaking it, making sure it's all mixed. I can't tell if these are tears or just my hair dripping. I have my gloves on. This stuff is really runny. It's not the nice creamy stuff like the permanent stuff because this has no peroxide or developer in it. It's just straight coats your hair. So let's start at the roots and then we're gonna work our way down in sections. I don't think you guys can see how dark this is. I just got it on my floor. Can't waste any. Last time my hair was dark brown like this, I was Mila Kunis's stand-in and photo double in the movie Friends of Benefits. That was a lot of fun to work on. She is such a sweetheart. I absolutely love her. One of my favorite actresses to work for. Before the wrap party, I dyed my hair red, and it's been red ever since. Usually with hair dye you don't brush through, but this one says to brush through, and I'm using this wet brush so it'll be more gentle. See, I can see spots that I missed now. I don't know how this is gonna cover all my hair. Oh, and you want to wear something that you don't care about, and I'm wearing my ex-boyfriend's t-shirt, so wear something you don't care about getting dirty, because you will get stained. Taking a clip, sectioning it off. This is hard to do with this bright light in my face. If you guys only knew how bright this light was. And then trying to see on my mirror far away. And an update on my eyebrows that I laminated. I still love them. I am so happy I did it. They are way more manageable now. It looks green. Oh no. Through the light, it looks like it has a green tint. This is not good. I think I need to wet my hair way more. It just gets stuck on the dry parts. Oh, my forehead looks real cute. This is not even a teaching video. I don't even know what this is. Like, it's getting everywhere. Two fail videos in a month? Oh, that's cute. Oh, yeah. This is messy. Ugh. I should be doing this, not on camera, and concentrating, but I look like I went through a mud pit. I'm literally just gonna do the top half because I doubt I'll have enough product for the rest of my hair, and I'll have two separate color hair for till Wednesday. It is Monday right now. So I took one of my pictures of my hair blazing red and I photoshopped it to be dark brown, and I put a poll up on Instagram and Facebook, and 75% of everyone said yes, do it, but my mom and my best friends all said no. So I did it anyway. Shocker. When I have something in my head, I just can't not do it. It's like gonna happen, and it's gonna happen no matter what time of day, such as painting my whole entire room at midnight. It splattered all over the floor. Oh gosh, I hope that comes out. So I just looked up and I saw it wasn't recording. I have no idea when it stopped. That's how life is going. Yay, 2020. But I do not have enough for that. So that is gonna have to wait till Wednesday. So that's gonna be real cute for 2 days, but only my cat and my dog are gonna see it, so whatever. But I found the key to this is make sure you have completely damp slash almost dripping wet hair, so you will not have splotchy spots. And if you can, use the spray bottle to keep spraying it down as you're doing it. And if you are using the brush, it will splatter, so be careful. But it wiped off on my wallpaper pretty easy. We'll see about my shower curtain. Oh, and for those who are asking about my wallpaper, it has not budged at all. It's still amazing. All these people were coming in the comment, oh, that sparkly wallpaper is just gonna peel off. No, it hasn't moved at all. It hasn't shed any glitter anywhere. The person who said that they used this 3 times and got 3 uses out of it, lies, unless they had 2-inch hair. So that's all I got. There's no more for all this hair. So I am now supposed to cover it with plastic and put heat on it and put a hair dryer on it for like 30 minutes and warm it up. So it is Wednesday and I'm back, and it's definitely darker. I thought I was gonna have such a problem. I thought I was gonna have completely 2 different color hair, top half dark, bottom half red, but when I went into the shower, I started washing it out, and it looked like The Exorcist happened, and there was just dye everywhere, so I just started to lather it all together, and I was like, let me just see what happens. It was super wet, super runny, and I put it all on the rest of my hair, and I put it in the shower cap, and I just sat with it for a little bit, and it actually dyed the bottom. And I didn't even put that on. You guys saw everything I did. I did it on camera. The ends are definitely still a little lighter on this side, and then this side is darker, obviously, but I don't know if you can tell that compared to this. This is more warm color, and these are a little bit green. So I'm going to do it one more time. I'm gonna do my whole hair super wet. I'm not gonna get all technical with it because it didn't get splotchy, even though I didn't have enough dye. It was pretty darn even everywhere. This is definitely a good idea for beginners, besides the mess, which actually came off my arms and everything, and my forehead, everything super easy. I was really shocked at that. I just used my regular face cleanser and it was all good. So I'm gonna do this one more time. You guys obviously don't need to see that because there is no real technique obviously you need to use now that I know that once all the water gets into it and you just lather it all together, it'll dye it. So I'm gonna do it one more time and I will see you guys when I get back. I am now a brunette, yay! It turned out so good. My hair is so soft, so shiny. I'm kind of loving it. I don't know necessarily if this was a teaching video or a how-to, but whatever it turned out to be, I don't know. Hope you liked it. So the second time I did it, I just went in the shower. I have a mirror in my shower, and I just washed my hair, not with the stripping shampoo, but I washed my hair with regular shampoo, and I put the dye all over the bottom, smushed it all together at the top, put the shower cap on my head, and just waited the 30 minutes. I'm very happy about it. The tone is way better. It's not green anymore. The highlights look good. It isn't a flat tone. It is still showing the highlight parts, and the dark parts are even darker, so I'm loving it. It was all of, what, like $8? But if you have short hair, it'll only cost you the $4. So for the price and how easy it is, I definitely think it's something if you're trying to figure out if you should dye your hair or not, this is a good starter to see if you like a new hair color. So hope you liked the video. Please leave me a comment, even if it's just an emoji. It still helps my algorithm out. So subscribe. Turn on the little notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Stay safe and happy. Love you. Mwah. Bye.